Dear acid reflux and heartburn sufferer, you're about to discover 6 natural heartburn remedies. Find out which natural home remedy for heartburn is safe and most likely to help offer relief. There are numerous treatments that can help and stay until the end because you will learn a proven holistic 5-step system for curing acid reflux and heartburn and achieving lasting freedom from most digestive disorders. If your heart is burning with anything, however love, it's time to take a look at some natural remedies to relieve that heartburn. Man with heartburn, use these natural remedies to aid with heartburn relief. What is heartburn? When you've swallowed that burrito, your body is expected to take over all the details, leaving you with nothing but the memory of that tacky, beany goodness. However, heartburn does not let you forget. Your esophagus is the tube that connects your mouth to your stomach, and it is accountable for pushing food down in balanced waves. As soon as food hits your stomach, acids and enzymes begin breaking it down for food digestion. Stomach acids are relatively powerful. After all, they're created to dissolve food, and your stomach has a special lining that safeguards it from being affected by acid. However, when it comes to heartburn, some of those stomach acids take a trip back up into the esophagus, and it is this acid reflux that's leaving you with a burning feeling. Heartburn can be caused by numerous things, including whatever from spicy foods to caffeine to genetics, so it's often tough to know what's going to activate acid reflux. The good news is, there are many ways to reduce heartburn without relying on non-prescription or prescription medication, and you might discover relief with things you currently have around your house. Here are a couple of ways to reduce that burning feeling naturally and rapidly. Remedies number 1. Aloe Juice. Aloe Juice is sold at the majority of grocery stores. Much like aloe vera is utilized to soothe skin sunburns, aloe juice can help soothe irritation brought on by heartburn. If you fight with heartburn, it's a good concept to enter into the routine of drinking 1/2 cup of aloe juice before meals to keep your stomach and esophagus soothed. Remedies number 2. Consume a banana. This one's really simple. Did you know that bananas contain natural antacids? Start consuming a banana every day to help neutralize heartburn. If you don't have a banana, an apple will do. Remedies number 3. Stop smoking cigarettes. If you're a smoker, and you require yet another reason to give up, here's one. If you've seen your heartburn has actually become worse and you're a smoker, the cigarette smoking will exacerbate your esophagus and make everything hurt. Now's a good time to give up. Before going to 4th natural home remedies for heartburn, can we ask you to please subscribe to support this channel? It will cost you nothing and will mean a lot for us for the hard work we put on each video. Thanks so much. Remedies number 4. Baking soda. Notice we stated baking soda and not baking powder. You are not a cake. Don't get the two puzzled. Sodium bicarbonate is affordable and completely natural. Simply dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda into a cup of water. The sodium bicarbonate will help neutralize the acid. Keep in mind, baking soda consists of sodium. Consult your doctor if you're on a low-sodium diet. You might have a home remedies for acidity at hand in your kitchen without even knowing it. Baking soda can calm some episodes of heartburn by neutralizing your stomach acid. Remedies number 5. Try ginger. Ginger has been used as a folk remedy for heartburn for centuries. Ginger can help relieve nausea and heartburn pain in chest, so some believe it may be worth trying for heartburn, too. Consider adding grated or diced ginger root to your favorite stir-fry recipes, soups, and other foods. To make ginger tea, steep raw ginger root, dried ginger root, or ginger tea bags in boiling water. It's probably best to avoid ginger ale, though. Carbonated beverages are a common heartburn trigger, and most brands of ginger ale are made with artificial flavoring rather than the real thing. Remedies number 6. Way of life changes. If you're overweight, making small changes to your diet plan and increasing physical activity might ease your heartburn. Try eliminating foods that activate your heartburn, such as fatty or hot foods, caffeine, chocolate, or carbonated beverages, to name a few. Leaving out these from your diet may remove the concern completely. Heartburn is extremely typical, however likewise fairly simple to treat if you monitor what foods aggravate your esophagus and combat heartburn with heartburn remedies at home, these remedies, and other lifestyle modifications. You may also need medication for heartburn, even while looking for lifestyle changes. Make an appointment with your doctor if heartburn occurs more than twice a week. Symptoms persist despite the use of over-the-counter medications. Acid reflux, chest pain. You have difficulty swallowing. You have persistent nausea or vomiting. You have weight loss because of poor appetite or difficulty eating. You're about to discover what might be the most powerful heartburn system ever developed. It's the same system thousands of people, just like you, used to permanently cure their heartburn and achieved permanent freedom from most digestive disorders. If you would like to learn how to cure your acid reflux and heartburn permanently, without drugs, without antacids, and without any side effects, the link to it is in the description. It is the first link you will find. You are an amazing person. Can you do us a favor and subscribe and activate the bell? At the very least, it would be very appreciated from the bottom of our hearts. Also, if it is possible, like, share and comment. God bless you forever.